Hi, welcome to WPMate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer in your WordPress website. A countdown timer helps you to create urgency and also boost the conversion. So in this tutorial, we're going to use GutenKit. So let's dive in. First of all, you need to make sure that the GutenKit plugin is activated and installed. I have already installed that plugin, so it's now showing that like this. So the button is not showing. After that, I need to go to the GutenKit block section and I have to find out the countdown timer block. You can turn on the block from here. Also, you can activate the block from this button. Now, after that, I have to add a new page. From this page, you need to select the countdown block. Yes, I have found that, and I can click that, or I can just drag and drop and paste it here. Now, our first countdown block is ready. Now, we need to customize it. First of all, we can change its shape. From circle, we can make it box, we can make it flip, we can make it linear gradient, linear crest. After that, I am selecting the circle one. So after that, I need to fix the date. It's September 2030 is very unrealistic. I need to make a realistic date. I am making it 2006 May 30th. Okay, I have selected. Now the countdown looks realistic. After that, we need to select the expire action. When the countdown is expired, we need to select a message here. It will show as a title, and after that you can also add some content here. I can show you this right now. If I show the countdown is today, this message will appear here. So now you can change the style, you can change the width, make it in okay, you can change the width, change the height. This look good. I just increase the gap, line height, column gap. Okay, it looks perfect now. After that, you can change the design individually from day section, hour section, minute section, second section, and also you can add some effects here, but that is not available in the free version. So that's it, and that's how you create a fully customized countdown timer using GutenKit. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.